Holistic Design course, Module 3. Do you know that vector is an infinite line that never loses quality? In this module, we're going to talk about softwares, technical drawing, and how to use your computer, and also by hand, but mainly with your computer, how to transform your drawings into professional projects. We're going to learn about technical drawing and vector, softwares like Adobe Illustrator and others. We're going to talk about transforming images with softwares like Photoshop and others. And we're going to talk about 3D modeling with Google SketchUp and other softwares. So, if you are looking for turning your projects into professional and to awaken the designer in you, this course is for you. Sign up now to the free masterclass and to enroll in the course directly. And I cannot wait to see you there. My name is Rui Vasquez. I am your trainer and I would love to know you.